everybody, it's Jenna G. That's me, the Hubby from TNT. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a baked redfish. It's an easy, simple baked redfish. Some of you have asked before to do a baked fish video recipe. So husband brought home one, so I decided to do it today for you guys.
Oh, it's a redfish. Oh, catching some monster reds here today, guys. Still can't get the salmon, but I'll take the reds.
He's the fisherman and he does all his cleaning. So if you have any husbands who enjoy fishing, I'll put the link to his channel below so you guys can enjoy his fishing expeditions he goes on whenever he gets a chance to. So he did the cleaning of the fish for me, so I don't have that included in the video today for you guys. But we'll just jump straight into the prep on how to season it and the bake time for it and then what it looks like at the end of it. Alright, so this is my ginormous redfish that the husband caught. So I'm going to be seasoning it, I'm going to be stuffing it, and we're going to let it sit for a little while just to marinate and get inside all of this lovely meat that we have here. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be making a rub to put on to the fish. So I'm going to add some paprika, some garlic powder, cayenne pepper. I'm going to be using some Cajun seasoning. I'm adding a little jira to it, black pepper, and some salt. And to this I'm going to add some olive oil. I'm just going to mix this up. And now I'm going to be rubbing this onto the fish. Alright, so you just want to make sure when you rub all that dry rub onto every inch of this fish. Turn them over, all inside. And I'm just making some slits into the fish, just so that I can use my hands and get all this nice dry rub into it. And you want to do that on the same side, on the next side, and then you're just going to put it aside for some hours to marinate. So now I'm going to be preparing the stuffing for the fish. So I have one sweet pepper. Now you can feel free to experiment or to stuff your fish with just about anything you want. I was thinking about putting these potatoes in the fish like I mentioned earlier, but I think I'm just going to put it just on the tray to roast a little bit. And we just want to put all these sweet peppers and fresh herbs with onion into the fish. A lot of the aromatics you want, you know, gives off a lot of flavor. So you add in pimento as well, and also an onion. Just wanna transfer it all to a bowl. Have some fresh parsley, just rough chop. And I also have some thyme. And add just a little bit of oil, olive oil to this. And some salt. And a clove, grated garlic. Mix this around. So you just have a pinch of salt in it, some olive oil, and now we're going to stuff it into the fish. Lots and lots of stuffing, as much stuffing as you can get in there. Just stuff it all in. Now you can add in 2 slices, lemon slices as well, anywhere. And now what I'm going to do, I have some potato and some vegetables, like just some carrots, some potatoes, and some mushrooms. The potato is just going to be spreading it on the tray, spreading some olive oil over it, and we're going to put that in the oven. Nice looking stuffed redfish that we're going to put into the oven to bake just now. It's just to give you guys an idea of how much stuffing we put in there. Onion, garlic, some fresh parsley, some fresh thyme, some pimento, and some sweet peppers. Alright, so like I said, I'm not going to stuff the fish with the potatoes. I prefer to just use the onions and the aromatics in there. So I have some potatoes here with some chopped carrots, some okra. You're probably wondering why okra. I just had some okra left over in the fridge, and actually okra in like some chunky veg style is actually pretty delicious. And I have some mushrooms in here as well. So I'm going to add some olive oil to this, some fresh parsley, some salt, black pepper, some cayenne pepper just for some spice, and then 2 cloves of garlic that I'm going to be grating into there. Make sure to spray your pan, your tray. And now it's just about adding the potatoes. You want to spread it out evenly so that it could cook through properly. Everything can cook through properly. Right, and this is what our tray looks like. And this is what we are going to be putting into the oven. Now I'm going to cover it with some foil, and then I'm going to be baking it at a high heat. And I'm covering because I want the fish to steam through, and I want the potatoes and the vegetables to cook through. So I'll be covering it with foil, and we're going to remove the foil from it, and then we're going to continue baking it. One thing to do, spray your foil with some of the non-stick spray just to prevent it from grabbing onto your fish. You don't want that to happen. So you're just going to spray it. And then we're going to cover it. Make sure and cover it tight. It's over here. And now we're going to put this to bake. The oven is heating up at 420. We're going to put it to bake for about 20 minutes. We're going to remove the foil and we're going to let it finish cook off there. Right, so 25 minutes. It was in the oven for at 420 covered. Let's take a look at it. Looks pretty good. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it back into the oven, the same heat, just until it's nice and roasted, just for about 10 minutes or so. Alright guys, and this is what it is. So I left it uncovered for about 10 minutes or so, just to get a little more roasting done. The vegetables are cooked through nicely, potatoes are cooked through nicely, and I accidentally kind of pulled a piece of the skin by mistake with the foil. I sprayed it, yes, but a little piece got caught and I kind of ripped it off, but that's okay. This is what it looks like. You see all the stuff in now. It smells so good. It smells absolutely delicious. So this is dinner. This is an easy idea for you. You can use any fish you like. Just be mindful with the size, the amount of seasoning that you're using it, but stuff that fish away, and it's going to add a lot more nice flavors to the baked fish. Alright guys, and that is all I have for you today. So you saw how easy it is to bake a fish, bake a red fish. And I chose to use the dry rub because it just adds more flavor to it, but you can use your green seasoning. I know in Trinidad we love using green seasoning in just about everything. So on the outside of it, I use the dry rub, and on the inside, but for the stuffing, you can include some green seasoning in it. That's just your regular shad of benny, your garlic, your pepper, or pimento. That's the basic things that I include in my green seasoning. So you can add that for some extra flavor as well. But on the fish, on the outside, you know, make slits like you saw that I did, and make sure you get all the dry rub into the flesh of the fish, as you want to let it marinate and get all that good flavors throughout the fish. So when you're baking it, you have some delicious tasting fish. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy the video. You can try it with your favorite type of fish. I know not some people like the red fish, some people don't, but whatever fish you like, just try it out, and leave me some feedback. Tell me what is your type of favorite fish to use while cooking or baking, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it with all your friends and your family. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.